Hello viewers, let's see how to block or unblock any website on your Windows PC using Notepad. This simple trick uses the Windows host file so you don't need to install any extra software. Now let me open browser and you can see I open Google as well as Facebook, so it means that these websites can be accessed easily. Now let's first block it. Come down and click this Windows button and go up and type in search Notepad. When it appears, right click and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now click File and then Open. Now a new interface appears. Select first C drive. Now click or open Windows and then come down to System 32 and now look for drivers and lastly etc folder. Now this opens, so open the box txt document and select all files. Now double click hosts and Notepad appears, so now copy the top address 127.0.0.1 and paste it below. Now remove the local host and type www.google.com. Now enter and once again www.facebook.com. Now both websites would be blocked. So click File once again and click Save. And now let's see. Press Google, it's not accessible, and Facebook, this has also been stopped. Now to unblock the same, let's go and open this Notepad once again and remove the two addresses we just wrote and then click File. Now click Save and it's done. Now both the website are open once again. Let me click it. Facebook is working and as well as Google is also working first class. Thanks for watching.